Hello, and welcome to Dear Denise Diary. I'm Denise. Today we are frying chicken, as you can see in the title. Now, I was on YouTube the other day and I saw one of my favorite musicians, John Legend, making some fried chicken. And it was so simple and it looked so good. I thought I'll give it a try. Very simple recipe. And the method he used is one that I've never used to make fried chicken before, and I thought this is very interesting. I am going to give it a try. I decided to record it and share it with you guys. I will link the full recipe down for you to the measurements and everything, but it was just very few ingredients. Now the chicken itself, it was soaked in brine. The brine consisted of seasoning salt. So this is what he used, Lawry seasoning salt, and some garlic powder and some cayenne pepper. Now I did not have cayenne pepper. We're in a lockdown. I couldn't find cayenne pepper anywhere to save my life, so I decided to use that paprika instead. What's the difference anyway? Do you know? It turned out all right. You know, I'll try. I think I'll try and get cayenne pepper and do that as well, just to see how it will turn out, like just to see the taste, the variation in taste. Anyway, he soaked it actually in one of this cast iron pot, or you can just put it in the fridge if you put it in a different container. I've lost some of the footage, the initial footage where I soak it in the brine. So unfortunately I don't have that, but I have it from when I started frying. So you see the video from where I bread the chicken and then fry it. It turned out quite okay. My son thought it was KFC. I mean, we are locked down. KFC is not open. Why not? At the end of frying the chicken, if you like, you can make a glaze. You can make the glaze out of butter, honey, and this Cholula sauce. Yeah, as you can see, I didn't get to make the Cholula sauce because I was tired at the end of it all, and the chicken was really good. It was yummy, and I couldn't be bothered to do anything else. But I think I'll try it again, because this chicken is going to be a staple. I will be doing it a lot more, and I will try one with the cayenne pepper, and then also I will try one with the glaze on it, just to see how it tastes. If you want to see how our chicken turned out using John Legend's recipe, stay tuned. So here we are with our brined chicken. I decided to move it around a bit to get the brine, evenly distributed. I did this a few times as it was marinating, or should I say, yeah. It may not look it, but I was very gentle with this. So here we go. We've got our plain flour, and we measured 2 cups of that, and then we added our seasoned salt, 2 tablespoons of that, and our paprika. Mix it all up in the flour. Mix. Make sure it's all evenly incorporated into the flour, all mixed up. And then this is our simple setup. So from the marinade or the brine, we put it straight into the flour and just coated it. I did a few of it, and before frying. When you leave it gets soaked into the flour, so you could actually have a second coat if you choose to, which I did halfway through. I did a second coat for the subsequent ones, which really came out crispy as well. Give it a try. A little into frying, I realized that my camera was not actually rolling, it was not on, so we start this from halfway through, pardon me. So that's our chicken frying. I do not own a deep fryer, so this is how we're going to do it. It did come out very, very nice as well, so it's not a problem. Before deep fryers, this is how frying took place. Anyway, this chicken looks so good already. Oh, I can't wait. Look at that. Okay, let's get our first batch out. See how golden and crispy it looks. You really must try this chicken. I really enjoyed it. I keep saying it. Sneak peek behind the scenes, making it happen because it's a rainy, dreary day today. Back to chicken. Let's get our next batch in and more frying. This is how I've done it. So just popping them in, fry. And yeah, if you're enjoying this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you don't, why not give us a thumbs down? Let us know, comment down below. Let us know what you like and what you don't like. Another behind the scenes. And you see it's still raining out there. Okay, enough of the frying already. This is how it turned out. Golden, juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside. Look at how juicy that chicken looks. My God, it was so good. I highly recommend you try this recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by our diary, and hope to see you soon. Don't forget to comment down below. Bye.